What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex, and today yesterday I got something that is gonna help me get my garage a lot more straighter, keep it more organized, and my tools all in one place. Stay tuned. So yesterday I went to Home Depot and I was gonna get me a workbench with some drawers in it, but they were out of them. They had none available at the store, but they had a few of them left in there, if this makes a little bit sense. They did not have what I was looking for, so I went with something a little bit bigger, and this is what I end up with. That is a 44-inch wide, 24.5-inch width. 44-inch width, 24.5-inch depth, and it's 65 inches tall. It has outlets inside and outlets outside, and each drawer can take up to 120 pounds. Now, what's cool about this one, like I said, I wanted a workbench and they didn't have any, and they actually gave me a little bit of a discount because it has a little scrape right here. What I like about this one is this right here. So I do have a workbench, a little bit on the side, which is gonna be perfect for what I needed. Now the thing is, I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. Now this also comes with liners and keys for every single one of these drawers. Have extra keys, keychain. Now the top, there's 3 of these ones, shallow ones. I'll call it like a 60, a 70-30 maybe, split. Liners for all of them. And then this big one right here. More keys and more mats for everything underneath. Now the bottom has a door, which I wasn't really happy to because I wanted to get more drawers, but this is gonna be great because I have a shelf right here. And you can, it's only one shelf. I wish it would have come in with at least 2 of them. This will do just fine. And I guess I can just place it wherever I want to. Right here, all I gotta do is find the tabs to put it in there. So this thing is actually gonna help me organize all my tools, because currently all my tools are in that middle drawer right below the license plate. Everything's right there, right there. So I'm trying to organize all that. I bought some storage containers right there. I actually started organizing right there. That might go, because I don't know if I'm gonna put this right there, and if I keep that shelf on the top, it's gonna make it not fit. Or I will also get rid of that shelf right there, put everything right there organized, and that might be another way to put it, but I still don't know yet. So this thing was a little bit over my budget, but I'm gonna plan to keep it forever and just fill it up with more tools whenever I get more tools. I also have a few more tools on this side. All of those can get over there. I get my wall a little bit neater, make it a little better, pleasant looking over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting in all the liners. Let me just open this up before I time lapse this. Look at this. This is a really thick mat. I say 1/4 of an inch. You have the Husky right there. Actually pretty cool. And all of the other ones, they're about an 1/8 of an inch thick. Not bad. Gonna time lapse it, you're gonna enjoy the music. of these are soft close, which is great. That way you won't be slamming into it. What I liked about this one is it's actually a matte red color. It's not really shiny or brilliant. I love it. I love the way it looks. And this key, they have several keys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 keys total. And they all work for the same. When you lock this one, it locks all of the top drawers. But this will open, so if you lock this one, this will lock this and all of this, and then you have this one separate. So if you work at a garage, shop, something like that, this is a great thing, because look at the type of key that you have in here. One of those old alarm for the cars. Remember they used to put them on the side of the car, turn it on so you can turn the alarm. That's old school, man. And then, yep, this works really great. Now, like I said, I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it or where I'm gonna put the tools out, so you can stay tuned for that video. It's coming up. I'm also gonna organize this whole garage. Hopefully it looks a little bit better. There's a lot of things going on. Now what I want you to see though is that on the side you have like a little brace right there on the back on both sides. Right there. So the top can easily come apart and you can set it up on a different place, and you will have a bench at this height, which is perfect, a rolling bench. Now I probably will not be rolling it too much because it'll get heavy, and on the side of my garage I actually have like a little step where I think I'm gonna put it on. So if you notice right there, that's a little step and it goes all the way around. Was like an L shape. So I'm just gonna keep it stationary. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it over there or right there. I can't put it on this side because I usually park my truck inside over here and the truck takes the whole place. But my wife's cars, it goes on this side right there. So it does give me a lot of space to work over there. However, that bench is probably too big, and I might just end up making it a little bit smaller because it's got the table saw built into it and also a miter saw station, and those shelves on the back, those are gonna be gone. So I might have space over to leave it over there, move the bikes over to this side or here. I don't know yet, because the thing is this opens up, so when I open it up it's gonna block that door, which is no big deal because entrance just around the corner. So we'll see. Now for this thing, how much did I pay for it? This was listed for $798. $798. However, like I said, it had a little bit of a scrape right here, barely noticeable, right there. 1, 2, 3. And they gave me a $50 discount. The one that I wanted was $400, so yes, I did overspend a little bit, but I think it's totally worth it. Just have a much more space for all my tools, all my drills, all my power tools, and everything can go in here, and I will still have space for it to grow. So stay tuned. If you want to see how I'm gonna organize this, stay tuned. If you want to see how I'm gonna organize the garage, I have more bike stuff coming on. I'm gonna be recording those videos this next couple of weeks because I'm on vacation, so I have time to do so. If you like this video, make sure to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.